So, Amit, one of the key things that struck me was given the acquisitive nature that our organization has, right, for inorganic type growth, as well as obviously we are growing tremendously using our own organic products. One of the things that we had constantly been dealing with was how quickly can our IT teams react to the needs that we have in our field, right? To build systems together, to bring the ERP systems, to bring our CRM systems together, being able to help sales reps in different business units collaborate much more effectively with each other and help make their sales lives a lot more easier. What I loved about the Aviso tool, especially by virtue of the proof of concept that we did with your organization, was that they were able to show us how easy and simple it was for them to pull all this data from the different disparate CRM systems, pull them into a consistent manner that made sense for organizations to look at, to analyze the data, be able to look at forecasts and come up with very accurate forecasts. That was something that was pretty impressive. The other thing that impressed our IT organization was that this honestly took a lot of the heavy lifting off of the IT organization's plate in order to truly come up with all the underlying understanding of the business processes in each of the companies that we've acquired, in putting the right object models or the data models in place into a single CRM system and consolidating and moving all those processes over, right? It took that, that pressure off of them, because now rather than rushing against a very hard to reach timeline, they can take time in designing the right solution to come up with. And the third thing here was your organization's AI ML capabilities. Right, being able to look at all of this disparate types of data, right? That are coming in forms of email and voice related content, being able to analyze that and coming up with scores that helped us understand what the probability of a deal closing was, and being able to forecast that in a simple way that made sense for different geos, for different business units, and for different types of stakeholders was, I thought, super powerful.